Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Elsa and Bruni filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You can tap on the screen to change your eye. Okay, so to get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Julia Roga is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. She's having some awesome filters. So check in our filter gallery, and this is the filter: Frozen, Elsa, and Bruni. So tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I will give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise, and that's it, you got the filter. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you on the next video.